This is a pre-owned 2015 Porsche Boxster. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter H6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a PDK transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 32,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, window defogger, and leather seats.